Hey Justin, what do you think of the Tesla semi-truck and what do you think it'll do to the trucking industry?
I think it's a really interesting product that is not going to do very much for a really long time because the amount of batteries that it takes is so significant. Tesla is not economically incentivized to start producing them in large quantities. That semi can produce like 10 Model S's, and battery is the number one constraint on their entire business model. So unless they charge incredibly high margins, there's a disincentive to actually sell them. Now in the long run, once batteries are no longer the limiting factor of their production, then it has the potential to be a tremendous game changer because most trucking is not long distance. So you could run your entire truck delivery network between two cities that are 100 or 200 miles apart. It could be completely replaced by an electric fleet, which would lower the cost tremendously, and it'll be a game changer.